Greetings, traders. This is I, Abdul Shabazz, and this is some real change stock options journey where the trades were. Coming out of the gate this morning, we had a huge gap up from yesterday's close. We had two dojis right out the gate. The market really didn't know what it wanted to do. Came down, created an intraday area of demand, and then shot out of that after some consolidation time. This is questionable as we did break the pre-market high, but there was a very valid weekly resistance area. Once we broke through that, there was another resistance area. Now, the safe trade was actually right here. I myself attempted an earlier trade here and here. I stopped out for a small loss, but the correct safe trade that presented itself today was actually in this candle right here, as we had trading clearly below the low of this 5-minute green candle, creating a point. So this was also the break of a V trade, and this provided liquidity from these bears and these bulls who had to cover as price started trading below. We got a flush right down to VWAP. So at VWAP, also at the end of the 5-minute candle, it was a great area to take some profit off. And if you manage to hold on, it actually came right back down to demand to present a second profit taking area. Believe it or not, on the way back up, if you wanted to wait to the exact same area, you could have taken a call very safely, as you now had these bears that were used as liquidity to push price right up to the next resistance level. After that, we consolidated, went sideways throughout the rest of the day, and those were the trades of today.